I'm here with the Old Blood Noise BL-52. It's a phase repeater, which is basically when you take a delay and put it inside a phaser. The only other phase repeater pedal out there is Dweller, which is also made by Old Blood, but this one has fewer controls, the feedback and the clock. All you really do with the BL-52 is play with these two controls here and see how they interact with each other. So now I'm gonna make a track with it, and my friend Joe is gonna lay down some drums, which sound like this. I'm gonna plug my harp into the BL-52, which sounds like this. And then I'm gonna plug my harp's bass strings into the Calamity drive, which sounds like this. And all that sounds like this. One of my favorite things that the BL-52 does is this choppy delay that kind of swells in and out. The BL-52 can get pretty ambient. If you slide this clock slider down, it does get a little noisy, but that's kind of part of the charm. So thank you so much to Old Blood Noise for sending me the BL-52.